Hey there! Today we're going to talk about the Leads homepage in ServiceMonster and why it's so useful. The Leads homepage is your main hub for leads and opportunities. So if you or your sales team utilizes leads or opportunities, definitely listen up. First off, we have the lead list, where you can see a full list of your leads, filtered by however you prefer. You can also create new leads here and view the details of your leads. Next, we have opportunities, where you can see your opportunities board, view and create new opportunities, and utilize the Kanban view option. Now we have 3 different tables to view. Leads by month shows a count of new leads for each month in a rolling 12-month period. The y-axis on the left is the lead count. The x-axis on the bottom is the month. Hovering over any of the data points will show you the exact count for that month. Hovering between 2 data points will show you the exact count for both months simultaneously. Lead conversions 90 days shows the quality of your leads and how many were turned into paying customers in the last 90 days. Lead acceptance rate. The larger number shows the percentage of your leads that were accepted, and hovering over will show the lead count. The smaller number below shows the percentage of growth in green or decline in red from the previous period. Lead close rate. The larger number shows the percentage of lead accounts acquired in the 90-day period that completed work. The smaller number below shows the percentage of growth in green or decline in red from the previous period. Hovering over the numbers will show you the exact count of lead conversions for the previous year. New clients by lead source shows the different lead sources for newly acquired accounts. The y-axis on the left is the lead source count. The x-axis on the bottom is the lead source name. Hovering over the bars will show you the lead source name and the exact count of new clients via that source from the previous year. Alright, that's it for the Leads homepage. Please check out our help site for more information on leads and sales, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!